Welcome back to Teshkid FX for another Gala Games price prediction update, and in this video I'll be giving you the latest developments that have been happening here on the Gala Games chart, which at the time of this recording has managed to lose the 20-day MA, which is now acting as resistance here on the 4-hour chart. We also have this descending channel that we have been trading within, which has continued to be well respected, and there are chances that we might see a break out of this descending channel to the lower side. And before I give you my next price targets, because Gala Games has also continued to obey the Elliot structures, first give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and also check out the channel membership. And allow me to continue with the video here on the 4-hour chart by first giving you a quick recap of what has been happening, where you can see that after making our lower low down there, we started a very nice bounce to the upside, obeying the Elliot structures, where you can see that I have this Elliot structure in blue, having the wave 5 making its peak at around the $0.06308 mark. And after seeing the formation of that wave 5 to the upside, I now believe that Gala Games has completed an even larger Elliot wave count 1 to the upside, so I'm terming this 5-wave structure to the upside as a larger Elliot wave count 1 to the upside. And after seeing the formation of a larger Elliot wave count 1, whatever we expect next is a corrective structure in the formation of a larger Elliot wave count 2 before we can expect another bounce to the upside in the formation of that wave 3, then expect a wave 4, and then push even higher in the formation of that wave 5. And getting a little bit into the details of the formation of this second wave, because I believe this is what is playing out, and also sketch my new target areas to the lower side in the formation of this wave 2 using the Fibonacci's by connecting them from the low of the first wave to the high for that wave 1. That gives me a minimum retracement area in the formation of that wave 2 between the fib level 0.382 and the fib level 0.618, and I can mark that target area here on the charts like that, which lies between the $0.04484 mark and the $0.03367 mark, and that is the minimum that I'm expecting that second wave to the lower side to do. And given that we are trading below the 20-day MA, we have also continued trading within this descending channel, which could possibly give us a breakout to the lower side. There are chances that once you see the breakout out of the descending channel to the lower side, maybe see a retest of that lower side of the channel, which is a success, then we might continue pushing even lower to fully maximize our red target area down here in the formation of this wave 2. And once the wave 2 is in, then I think that would be another perfect entry to get back into Gala Games, so that we can be able to ride this bounce to the upside in the formation of this wave 3. And that is not financial advice, and that is what I'm expecting here on the short-term scenarios. I'm expecting a retracement to fully maximize the formation, that is this red target area in the formation of that wave 2, and also expect an ABC corrective structure maybe on the 1-hour time frame, having the wave C fully maximizing that red target area. And also taking a look at the indicators before I give you the long-term scenarios that I'm expecting to play out. Here on the RSI, we are trading at around the 35 mark, meaning we have a bit of room for us to fully support lower prices in the formation of that wave 2. That is fully supported here on the RSI. And also taking a look at the MACD, on the MACD we have been able to print a bearish cross, and we're also seeing an increase in the selling volume there on the MACD, fully supporting the formation of that wave 2. And also taking a look at the volume indicator, you can also see that on the volume indicator we are seeing a bit of an increase in the selling momentum, that is the selling volume, fully supporting lower prices to fully maximize our red target area in the formation of that wave 2. And jumping to the daily chart to give you the long-term scenarios that I'm expecting to play out, basing it on the Elliot wave structures, you can see that Gala Games, from these low prices that we had been trading within, we saw a very nice bounce to the upside, making it to an all-time high at around the $0.85 mark in what I'm terming as that first wave to the upside. And after seeing the all-time high, we started the bear market, where we had been seeing lower prices in this ABC corrective structure, which gave us a low for that higher Elliot wave count 2. And after seeing the low for this second wave, whatever we expect next is a bounce to the upside in the formation of a higher Elliot wave count 3. And that is what I'm expecting on the long-term scenarios, where I also have a target area in the formation of that wave 3 at the fib level 1.618, and that perfectly lies at around the $1.36017 mark, and that is the minimum that I'm expecting Gala Games to do on the long-term scenarios before we can expect a wave 4 and then push even higher in the formation of this wave 5. So those are my short-term and also the long-term scenarios that I'm expecting to play out, and let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I'll be keeping you updated.